just outside off stump. So Sri Lanka have executed their plans perfectly in the strategy.
Wrist coming into play, the famous wrist of Virat Kohli, one of his strong zones. It's gone up. Has it gone far enough? It has. The first 6 of the inning, no. In fact, the fielder is trying to suggest that's a boundary. It wasn't far enough.
Yeah, it looked like he tried to bowl a variety there. It looked like the one he just flicks out, just dragged it down. And Rohit Sharma had got a good piece of it too. And just inside. So I think the key to Virat Kohli, shot down the ground from Sharma. That'll be 4.
Well, he's into it now. And will clear the boundary with ease for another 6. And he'll go for 4. Threw his bat at it. So while Kohli is struggling a little bit with his timing, Rohit Sharma is getting a move on his 3rd boundary. Right, how high is he hit that? Fielder was watching, was interested for a while. So a big one for India. This one, 64 for 114 came to the over. I think they've decided to get a move on here. This should be fun. Now, has he taken it? Yes. Breakthrough for Sri Lanka. Rohit Sharma's gone. It's 64 for 1.
This was much slower. The previous ball was quicker. And if you're not getting any turn, you have to vary the pace. And that's what Herat did.
Lankan and Indian will bowl out. Straight down the ground. This time he'll beat the fielder easily. In fact, might go over. Yes, he does. Is the timing back for Virat Kohli. 50 for Virat Kohli. Hard-working 50. 4th and 5 innings in this tournament. It's come of 43 balls, but he's held the innings together. Well played.
Straight away, first ball, and that's gone the distance.
Absolutely right in the slot, brings up the 100. Full toss, he's had no timing all day. It was only a matter of time. Not a great innings from Yuvraj Singh, comes to an end. Outstanding, that's if Malinga, they will try and come back for 2. They do come back for 2, direct hit, they'll go upstairs. Wouldn't that be a fitting ending, that, if that is a run out to some brilliant cricket from Sri Lanka.
He's gone this time.
Bhuvaneshwar Kumar with the new ball. Vishal Perera on strike. He's gone up. Fielder getting under it. First catch, first wicket for India.
Jadeja's got a good pair of hands. Very good in the field, Jadeja. Exactly what India needed, an early wicket.
That's a glide. This glide over the keeper's head. You normally see that ending up around 3rd man. That went right behind Mahendra Singh Dhoni. He's gone leg side, almost on cue. This is good cricket from Sri Lanka. Well played, sensibly played. The ball is just flying off the edges. This pitch has got a bit of pace today. Yeah, there is space in the pitch. The ball is just sort of taking off after it finds the edges. Yeah, he can be a bit grumpy about all that. Bhuvaneshwar Kumar.
Going back to his stock delivery. There it was. I think that was the carom ball then. And it's going to go all the way for 6, is it? No, what a catch. Great catch from that man, Virat Kohli. Right on the fence. Good balance, good match awareness. Super catch. 41 for 2.
And so he helps it on his way. He prefers the ball spinning in. You can see the confidence across his stumps. 50 up for Sri Lanka. Hit hard, hit high, and hit for 6. Beautifully played. Silky hands, soft hands. They say this game is about bashing the ball, not if you're Mahela Jayawardene. It's about touch and feel. Gone is he? Yes. He needed a wicket, he got a wicket. One man to find Ashwin at mid-wicket. And the danger man has gone for the last time in a T20 game. Mahela Jayawardene leaves centre stage. Edge pass slip. Pass slip, and that will not only hurt the fact that it wasn't caught, but it will sneak away for 4. First ball for Tiramani. Oh, is there a bottom edge there? Yes. They continue to take wickets. See, India, Ian Gould's finger goes up, and all of India celebrate.
Look how low Dhoni is. That's a brilliant catch. Keepers are on the way up.
This with 3 boundaries. Here's one. That's soaring into the night sky. Pereira gets a couple of these, they'll canter.
And he knows to play one way. This time over long on. Sri Lanka taking the game away from India.
Oh, there's a top edge. It's that kind of day for India. Ashwin's bowled a beauty and conceded a 4. That might run away too. It does. Now Sri Lanka just one blew away. Even Sangakkara is giving himself a little skip here. Now has he got it? Yes, he has. Sri Lanka, the new champions of the ICC.